Hey, I'm James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know how to use a customer avatar to attract more of your ideal customer. Well, I've got you covered. Now, I'm going to assume a few things here. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you're an entrepreneur, a coach, or a consultant, or a business owner or startup. Well, if that is true, then please help me get this message out to more people like you. Smash the like button on this video. That helps with the YouTube algorithm getting more people onto this video. Comment below. Let me know all about you and your business. I personally reply to all the comments. I want to get to know you guys, and it allows me to adapt this content and make more content for people like you in the future. And subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss all my future content. Trust me. So why do you use a customer avatar, and how do you use a customer avatar to get more of your ideal customer? Well, what you will do is craft using a customer avatar exercise, which I've got for you guys. You want to craft a list of your ideal customer. Now, by doing the exercise and crafting the avatar, which is a checklist basically, what it will do is it will allow you to focus on where do these people hang out? Where does my ideal customer hang out? Do they read certain magazines? Do they read certain books? Do they go on certain websites? Do they go to certain conferences? It's important as a business owner that you know where your ideal customer hangs out. So doing that's really important, and doing the checklist is really important. Not only that, you want to look at who are the perfect customers for you? Because I would imagine that if you looked at your last 10 customer that you had in your business, 2 of those are significantly better than the others, right? They maybe paid you on time, they were easier to communicate with, they gave you everything you needed to provide the service. They were just significantly easier than the others. And by looking at those people, we can find more of them. So we want to know things like, what are their age? Where do they live? What's their gender? What's their marital status? There's a ton of things that we've created into a checklist that you just need to go through and follow. That will allow you to market to these people and draw them in, right? My daughter, she's 20. She goes to McDonald's and she will get a McFlurry if she's there. Right? Whereas if I went to McDonald's, I might buy a bigger burger or something like that. And so McDonald's need to market to my daughter Georgia and myself in different ways. We hang out on different social networks. So McDonald's need to do the avatar checklist, which they do for sure. And they need to know that the 20-year-olds hang out on TikTok or Instagram or Snapchat. Whereas I'm 40, I hang out on Facebook and LinkedIn and YouTube, right? And so it's essential that we do this exercise and we take all of these things into consideration. And when we do that, we will waste less money marketing to places where our avatar doesn't hang out. We will eliminate people and push people away that we don't want to work with. And that in turn will make our business more profitable. So this training on the avatar, this checklist, in the description is just a YouTube video. You don't have to opt in or anything like that. Just click on the link and you can do that right now. And I've also got a workbook on there as well. So if you click on the link to watch the video, what you can do is grab that workbook, because that's going to be a real game changer for you. You can fill it in, print it off, put it on your desk, and then every marketing piece that you put out, that will attract more of your ideal customer and stop wasting business money for you. So if you found this useful, I'm sure you've got a ton of questions. Comment below. I personally reply to every single comment on this channel. Please help me out to get more viewers on this channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I've got so much marketing advice to help you guys grow your business. I've been James Nicholson. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.